Ngày hôm nay cô Ngọc sẽ giới thiệu cho ba mẹ chúng mình cùng ôn lại bài cho chúng mình ở tại nhà về chủ đề animals, đó là chủ đề về động vật. Vậy ngày hôm nay ba mẹ hãy cùng xem cô và các con sẽ ôn lại bài như thế nào nhé.
Now we learn how the first one with name a visit to the farm. A visit to the farm. Welcome to the farm. Cat. Cat. C-A-T. C-A-T. Cats drink milk. Cats drink milk. Horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. H-O-R-S-E. Horse are very fast. Horse are very fast. Sheep. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. H-H-E-E-P. Sheep are white. Sheep are white. Pigs. Pigs. P-I-Z. P-I-Z. Pigs are pink and fat. Pigs are pink and fat. Dog. Dog. D-O-Z. D-O-Z. Dogs are intelligent. Dogs are intelligent. Duck. Duck. Good job. Ducks live in the lake. Ducks live in the lake. Donkey. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkeys have got big teeth. Donkeys have got big teeth. Teeth. Hen. 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 Good job. H-E-N. H-E-N. Hens can't fly. Hens can't fly. Rabbit. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbits like carrots and jumping. Rabbits like carrots and jumping. Cow. Cow. Cows eat grass. Cows eat grass. C-O-W. C-O-W. Water. Mouse. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. One mouse. More mouse. Two mouse. Not two mouse. Mice. Mice. Mice like cheese. For example, more mouse, more mice, mice like cheese. Wow, we learned about the picture, a visit to the zoo, a visit to the zoo. Now let's go. Wow, elephant, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-G. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-G. Elephant have got big ears. Elephants have got big ears. Giraffe, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. G-A-R-A-F-F-E. Wow, giraffes have got a long neck. Long neck. Anything else? Parrot, parrot. Green parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrots can speak. Parrots can speak. Wow. Lion, lion. Lion is brown and orange. Lions are very big and dangerous. Lions are very big and dangerous. Bear, bear. B-E-A-R. B-E-A-R. All right. Bears like honey. Bears like honey. Tiger, tiger. T-I-G-E-R. T-I-C-E-R. 3 tigers. Fish, fish. F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H. Fish live in the sea. Fish live in the sea. Monkey, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey like bananas. Monkeys like bananas. Moose, moose. M-O-O-S-E. M-O-O-S-E. Moose are brown. Moose are brown. Crocodile, crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodiles have got a big mouth. Crocodiles have got a big mouth. Penguin. 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 G-U-I-N. Penguins like fish. Penguins like fish. Hello kids, and now we will check about the animals of the past 1 and part 2. Okay, you can tell for me how many animals do you see and what color of animals do you know? Are you okay? Good job. You can see here the first animal I see a monkey. How many monkeys? I see 1 monkey, 2 monkeys, 3 monkeys, and 4 monkeys. I see 4 monkeys. I see 4 monkeys. And monkeys eat banana. Monkey eat banana. And I see 2 brown monkeys. I see 2 gray monkeys. Okay? The second animal, I see a bear. How many bears do you see? I see 3 bears. I see 3 bears. First, 1 bear, 2 bears, 3 bears, and bears are brown. Bears are brown. Third animals. I see an elephant. I see an elephant. Oh, I see here, wow, a big ear. I see 2 elephants. 2 elephants. 2 elephants have got 2 big ears. 2 elephants have got 2 big ears. 4 animals. I see.
Chủ đề hôm nay của chúng mình tới đây là kết thúc rồi. Ba mẹ có thể chia sẻ bài của cô về tương của mình để có thể cho bé yêu nhà mình học tiếng Anh nhé. Cô chúc các con có một kỳ nghỉ cuối tuần vui vẻ. Chào tạm biệt các con.